In this lesson, I'll show you how to start a new project within Fusion 360 and how to save designs to that newly created project. Once Fusion 360 is open, the program starts with an untitled blank design. Unlike other CAD programs, Fusion 360 does not have separate types of documents for parts and assemblies. Instead, a single environment is used to create parts and/or assemblies. Therefore, there's no need to worry about what type of document to start with when you begin a new design. However, at some point, after I've started working on a new design, I'll want to save my data. But instead of saving my designs to a folder within Windows Explorer or Macintosh Finder, I will save my data to a project in the Data panel. If a project doesn't already exist within my personal storage space or a team workspace, then I must create a new project. There are two ways to create a new project within Fusion 360. The first method, and probably the most intuitive, is from the Save command, found under the File pull-down menu. At any point in the design process, I can use the File pull-down menu to access the Save command. After I give the design a name, I can click the icon just to the right of the Location tool. This will reveal all existing projects under the storage space or team that is active in the Data panel.
Think of projects as the highest directory in your storage space or team. I can either save this design to one of those existing projects, or I can use this opportunity to create a new project by clicking on New Project in the lower left.
Once you've created a new project or selected an existing project, you have the opportunity to add a new folder. Again, think of folders as an additional way to organize your files under a project. The next method to create a new project starts from the Data panel. I will expand the Data panel by clicking this icon, but remember, I could also reveal the Data panel by using the Ctrl-Alt-P or Option-Command-P hotkey combinations. To create a new project from within the Data panel, you must navigate to the highest level of the storage space or team. By clicking the Home icon in the Data panel, Fusion 360 will take me to the highest level. Now that I'm here, I can click the New Project icon to create a new project.